How to sign up for Amazon Prime. Want to get free shipping, movies and music? This guide shows you how to sign up for Amazon Prime so you can get all the benefits of a Prime membership. First, open the Amazon Shopping app and go to the main menu. You can find it at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Prime to go to the Prime membership page. Here you'll see all the benefits of a Prime membership. If you're a new user, you can start a 30-day free trial. Tap on Start Your 30-day Journey button to begin the trial. You'll need to enter your payment information, but you won't be charged until the trial ends. You can cancel it anytime. Once you've confirmed your Prime membership will be active. You can now enjoy all the benefits of Prime membership, like free shipping, access to Prime Video, and Amazon Music. Is a great way to get a lot of benefits for the price. You now know how to sign up for Amazon Prime. Get ready to enjoy all the benefits. Like and subscribe for more app tips.